Well, it's a real pleasure for all of us to welcome the biggest rental company from Europe here. We had the opportunity to be face to face. We have been discussing about how the companies must reach the net zero emission. Because of that, we have developed our product at Himoinsa to help all our customers to arrive to this important target.
Himoinsa has a very clear focus on the rental industry. The way that Himoinsa is approaching the market, it's you still keep some flexibility and possibility to adapt to the requirements of the different customers.
So the market is very good. Of course, it's increasing very strongly. Last year was very strong. This seems to be even better.
Lo que hemos detectado, unos cambios tecnológicos a mayor, ofreciendo un mayor acercamiento tanto en plataformas de acceso como en productos con diferentes acabados, con mejores calidades, importante.
Si se caracterizan por alguna cosa o muchas cosas, una de ellas principalmente es la calidad con la que están terminadas y la facilidad de mantenimiento y facilidad para trabajar con ellas.
Fantastic. In all honesty, I think the process that you've set up here, your factory, is unbelievable. The build quality of your units are very, very good. And the technology you're moving towards the battery is very interesting. And a workshop is brilliant because we get to see the process of how it's manufactured, but then we actually get to see the finished product.
I know the products, they are very suitable and very solid products, and right now it's a great pleasure to see how the products are built. Good to see that you are still developing, you are catching the momentum, so you are taking into consideration these environmental things.
¿Cuál es la evolución que yo veo en Himoinsa? La evolución es brutal.
Beautiful products, but if nobody asks for them, you don't have a market for them. So I think listen to your customers as we do today. I think it's a very good decision.